A lot of times I get asked about how do you feel about security while buying a CRM, or a lot of customers have these questions around data security around a CRM. So what do you consider as key factors while deciding to buy a CRM? What should be the factors that are decisive to decide about the data security? I think there are like 4 or 5 points, and it's a very methodical approach in which software companies approach this. One, I think it starts with a lot of standardizations and compliances. Software has like a ISO 27001 compliance which companies or vendors should follow. There are very clear strategies or data protection laws from companies, from government. So you have got GDPR, you've got India Data Protection Act also, which is being implemented. So as long as vendors can stick to these or implement these, that's one starting point that needs to be considered. Second is encryption, and where the software vendor hosts. So using cloud technologies, using data encryption, end-to-end encryption to store data and to deliver the data over web. That's very important. Second factor to be considered. I think another factor is access control and the amount of authorization and access control that is provided within the application. So a two-factor authentication to log in, an OTP-based login, and a very robust access control layer where you can control who gets what kind of access within the layer, within the software. That is one more point that you need to consider when you look at data security. And last, I think an audit trail and how to look and keep an entire record of who is logging in, who is taking what action. If you have that kind of availability within the software, then you're pretty secure. Even if there's some issue or you want to track something back, you have complete control on what's happening within the system. So I think if you can consider these 4 or 5 factors, and if you can rate them from a vendor to vendor, I think it will help everyone take a good decision and be confident about their decision about a sales CRM.